Did you know Bartholomew, also known as Nathaniel, saw Jesus and instantly believed? He dedicated his entire life to sharing the truth, even when it cost him everything. Bartholomew was one of the 12 apostles. Celebrated for his honesty and incredible courage, he traveled far and wide, preaching the gospel in places like Armenia, India, and possibly Mesopotamia. But his bold message about Christ didn't sit well with the local rulers. He was arrested, brutally tortured, and ultimately martyred because he refused to renounce his faith. Tradition says he died in Armenia around AD 68. Accounts vary, saying he was crucified, beaten, or even skinned alive, but he remained faithful to the very end. His ultimate sacrifice became a powerful testament that true faith shines brightest even in the face of death. Bartholomew's courage is a powerful reminder for us. Following our faith might lead to trials, but standing firm for Christ brings an eternal reward. Share this video if you're committed to standing firm in your faith, no matter the cost. And don't forget to follow the Beatz breaker for more stories of the apostles who gave their lives for the gospel.